Welcome to DIY Stitching. Today, we're creating a beautiful circular design using basic hand embroidery stitches. Start by transferring the pattern to your fabric. I'm using a simple DIY home print method. Want to learn this method? Full tutorial link is in the description below. Let's bring this circle to life. Add texture with French knots using 2 strands of floss. You can find the printable pattern in the description if you'd like to try it yourself. Also, feel free to use any pattern transfer method that works best for you. Use fly stitches for soft floral lines, 4 strands here. Add depth with the herringbone stitch. Create a base using stepped running stitch. Over that, layer the clown collar stitch for a unique look. Then, use blanket stitch triangles for bold, geometric detail. Finally, finish the center with a neat couching stitch. It adds balance and a clean, modern feel. Like this design? Give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.